Joe trying to get a Ritz cracker in his mouth. So big, I don't know how you can miss, but you look like a lizard with your tongue sticking out. Oh, you had it.
I should have another whole day off. Wait a minute. I wanted to get my